Do you know the automobile manufacturer that produces cars from scratch to finish in India? Many names might come to your mind. However, it's Tata Motors, the only manufacturer in India that produces all cars indigenously. Once upon a time, it was a young and elusive car maker in India, and now it is rising, competing with top automobile manufacturers of the world. Today, we bring you 10 interesting facts about Tata Motors. Fact number 1. Tata Motors boasts 75 years of past glory since 1945. They started as Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company and used to manufacture trains. Later, in 1954, they collaborated with Daimler-Benz and started building commercial vehicles carrying Mercedes logo. Their IPO was launched in January 2000 of Rs 38.64, and after some ups and downs, the stock is currently around Rs 180. Number 2. Tata Motors has a global presence in over 125 countries. They have over 8.5 million Tata branded vehicles flying globally with a worldwide network comprising over 8,400 touchpoints. Tata Motors has R&D centers in UK, Italy, India and South Korea. They are continuously trying to get into more automobile segments. Recently, they bought out Marco Polo, which used to sell buses under the umbrella of Starbus. Number 3. They built the first SUV, Tata Sierra. Tata Sierra was a 3-door sport utility vehicle produced by Indian car maker Tata Motors in 1991. It was the first SUV to be designed and produced in India. Tata unveiled an EV version of the same in Auto Expo 2020. Hope it hits the roads again. Number 4. Tata Indica, India's first indigenously built car. A passenger hatchback car that was launched in the year 1998 became India's first indigenously built car. With the spectacular design, the car was an instant hit in the Indian car market. It gave other cars like Maruti Zen and Ambassador a run for their money. In 2018, after 20 straight years, the production of Indica and Indigo lineups was stopped. The end of an era. Number 5. Tata Motors made a car with PlayStation inbuilt. They launched Tata Safari in 1998, and later in 2003, they introduced a special limited edition which was meant to be a lifestyle statement with everything: road comfort, style, and entertainment. There were just 600 units produced which had a Sony PlayStation 2, which also doubled as a DVD player, 10 audio and video CD changer, 2 front headrest integrated LCD monitors, a 12-liter refrigeration cum warmer, and a 130-degree rear view camera. Considering 2003, that's a lot of tech in a car. Number 6. Tata Motors owns Britain's luxury car brand Jaguar and Land Rover. In 1999, Ratan Tata and his team went to Ford to sell their car business. Ford told Tata, "You do not know anything. Why did you start the passenger car division at all?" Tata felt humiliated. 9 years later in 2008, during the global financial meltdown, Ford was on the verge of bankruptcy. Tata Motors bought their Jaguar and Land Rover business for $2.3 billion. Ford told Tata, "You are doing us a big favor by buying JLR." How tables turned, and Tata got a chance to take sweet revenge of the 1999 humiliation. Number 7. Under the badge of its sub-brand Tamo, Tata Motors made India's first sports car named Racemo limited to just 250 units. It could go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6 seconds, and it became the first Indian car ever to be included in Microsoft's Forza Horizon 3. That's a video game. Number 8. Tata Motors is the backbone of the Indian Army vehicles. Along with commercial and passenger vehicles, Tata Motors is the top defense contractor in India. The company has been supplying combat-ready vehicles to the Indian Army for the past several decades. Tata Sumo, the car that you have seen with policemen or maybe some kidnappers in Bollywood, was intentionally built for the Indian Army for military use and off-road transport in 1994. You might also think that it's named Sumo after the sumo wrestlers. In reality, it was named after Sumant Mulgaonkar, a former MD of Tata Motors. Number 9. Tata even competes with Volvos. Tata Prima, which is also known as World Truck, competes with trucks from big truck manufacturers like Volvo, Mercedes, and Scanias of the international market in terms of its design, engine performance, and cabin comfort. Number 10. They have built the world's costliest version of their cheapest car. You might be aware of their cheapest car, Nano. So to celebrate 5,000 years of jewelry making tradition of India, they collaborated with Titan Industries to build a 22 crore version of Tata Nano. The car's body is made with 80 kg 22 karat solid gold, 15 kg silver, precious stones, including diamonds and rubies, and other expensive gemstones. So these were some of the interesting facts about Tata Motors, and in this series from Tickertape, we bring such interesting facts on different companies, different sectors, and famous stock market personalities. If you want us to make a video on any of your favorite topics or personalities, do let us know in the comment section below. We appreciate the time you have invested in watching this video. We have curated these videos for you to watch next. In case you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comment section below or reach out to us on social media. We'll be happy to respond to and resolve your queries.